Creating your dream accent wall with wallpaper is an inspiring home renovation project that can truly transform the personality and atmosphere of any space. Imagine stepping into a room that captures the essence of your unique style, adds dimension and character, and provides a stunning focal point that draws you in. Accent walls have long been a designer's secret for adding visual interest and breaking up monotony. But with the endless possibilities that wallpaper offers, bringing your dream wall to life has never been more accessible or exciting. Begin by envisioning the overall mood you want the accent wall to convey. Perhaps you're aiming for a serene, nature-inspired retreat, a bold and dramatic statement, or a delicate, whimsical touch. No matter your preference, there's a wallpaper designed to suit every aesthetic. Floral motifs can infuse a bedroom with soft romance, while geometric patterns introduce modern sophistication. Textured wallpapers mimic materials like brick, wood, or grass cloth, adding depth without the complexity or expense of major renovations. The first step is to choose the perfect wall to highlight. Typically, the accent wall is the first wall you see when entering a room, or the wall behind a focal point. Think the headboard in a bedroom, the fireplace in a living room, or even the wall behind your dining table. Consider how natural and artificial light hits the wall throughout the day, as this can affect how the colors and patterns of your wallpaper appear. Larger, uninterrupted walls often work best, but don't be afraid to get creative. Even a small nook or hallway can be transformed with a splash of wallpaper. Next, dive into the fun part, selecting your wallpaper. This is your opportunity to bring your dreams to life, so let your imagination roam. Take into account the color scheme of your existing furniture and decor, as well as the size and shape of the room. Lighter colors and subtle patterns can make smaller spaces feel airy and spacious, while darker hues and dramatic prints can create a cozy, intimate atmosphere. Samples are your best friend. Order a few, tape them up, and observe how they look in different lighting conditions over several days. Once you've found your ideal wallpaper, it's time to prepare. Modern wallpapers come in a variety of types, from traditional paste the paper to peel and stick options. Peel and stick wallpapers are particularly user-friendly, making them a favorite for renters and DIY enthusiasts, since they can be easily repositioned and removed without leaving residue. Begin by making sure your wall is clean, smooth, and dry. Remove any nails, screws, or outlet covers, and patch up any imperfections with spackle. Lightly sand the wall if necessary, and wipe it down to remove dust or oils. If you live in a humid area or are applying wallpaper in a bathroom or kitchen, consider using a primer to help the wallpaper adhere more securely. When you're ready to install, measure your wall and cut the wallpaper accordingly. If your wallpaper has a repeating pattern, be sure to align each strip so the design flows seamlessly from one section to the next. Start at the edge of the wall or corner depending on the room's layout, and carefully apply each strip, smoothing out bubbles and wrinkles as you go with a wallpaper brush or a soft cloth. Take your time. Patience is key to achieving a professional-looking finish. As the final strip goes up and the edges are neatly trimmed, step back and admire your creation. Your dream accent wall is no longer just an idea. It's a captivating reality that transforms your space, providing a showcase for your individuality and taste. The possibilities for styling your new accent wall are endless. Hang framed artwork or mirrors for added dimension, install a floating shelf to display your favorite collectibles, or simply let the wallpaper speak for itself. What truly makes a wallpaper accent wall special is its ability to tie a room together and set the tone for the rest of your decor. In a living room, a bold accent wall can anchor your seating arrangement and inspire your choice of accent pillows and rugs. In a bedroom, it can provide a luxurious backdrop for your bed, complemented by soft bedding and elegant lighting. In a home office, your accent wall might spark creativity and motivation, turning your workspace into a place you actually enjoy spending time in. Wallpaper also opens up possibilities for creativity that paint alone can't match. From intricate hand-drawn designs and metallic foils to playful patterns and realistic textures, the range of options is practically limitless. You might opt for a mural-style wallpaper depicting a tranquil forest scene, an Art Deco-inspired geometric design for a touch of glamour, or vintage botanical prints for a timeless, classic look. Maintenance is straightforward. Most modern wallpapers are washable, making it easy to wipe away fingerprints or minor stains with a damp cloth. If you ever decide to change things up, many wallpapers are designed to be easily removable, especially peel and stick varieties, so you can refresh your space as often as your tastes evolve. Ultimately, creating your dream accent wall with wallpaper is about celebrating your personal style and transforming your environment into a place that inspires and comforts you. It's a chance to experiment with color, texture, and pattern in a controlled, impactful way. And because there are so many affordable and accessible options on the market today, you don't have to be an expert or break the bank to achieve remarkable results. Take a moment to imagine the possibilities, the vibrant burst of color that greets you every morning, the intricate design that sparks conversation among your guests, or the subtle texture that adds an extra layer of coziness to your evenings at home. A wallpaper accent wall is more than just a design trend. It's a personal statement. It's your story, told in patterns and hues, creating a living space that's distinctly yours. So gather your inspiration, explore your options, and take the leap. Whether you crave the tranquility of nature, the energy of bold patterns, or the gentle romance of pastels and florals, your dream wallpaper accent wall is within reach. With a little creativity and thoughtful planning, you can reimagine your home one wall at a time, bringing both beauty and personality to the spaces you cherish most.